Right, so we've got this question where we've got to describe geometrically the relationship between a curve and a straight line. So let's just have a look at what's going on, and then we'll get into what the describe geometrically bit means in a little bit. So let's proceed as if we're going to be solving this thing. So I would start off by saying, okay, well, let's put the two things equal to each other. So we've got x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals half x minus 7. I think I'm going to deal with a half, and I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 2. Minus 4x minus 10 equals x minus 14. Now let's get the whole thing equal to 0. So I've got 2x squared minus 5x. Bring the 14 over, that becomes a plus. So that's plus 4 equals 0. Now, we're not being asked to solve this thing. We don't need the points or intersects. We need to find out what's going on with them. So let's just have a look at what the discriminant can tell us. So we've got b squared minus 4ac. So that gives us b squared, so that's minus 5 squared minus 4 times by a times by c, which gives us 25 minus, so that's what's that, 32, which is minus 7. Okay, so we've got a discriminant that is less than 0, so b squared minus 4ac less than 0, and so that tells us no real roots. And so what that means is the line and the curve don't meet. So what you've got is one of those situations where you might have the curve doing, I don't know, something a bit like that, and then the line doing that, and they just don't intersect. So that's what we mean by describing it geometrically.